Blessed are the peacemakers, for they shall be called sons of God.
Blessed are the peacemakers.
Ababusisiwe abenza ukuthula noma abenzi bokuthula.
For this is their identity
Ngoba lena ibubona
as the children of God.
njengabantwana bakaNkulunkulu.
Therefore,
Ngakho ke
when you are a child of God,
uma wena ungumntwana kaNkulunkulu
in you,
kuwe
you have got ability
unobukhoni
to make peace.
ukuthi wenze ukuthula.
This is what God has given us.
Yilokho uNkulunkulu asiphile
We
khona.
are wired that way.
Sakhiwe kanjalo.
We are the peacemaker.
Singabenzi bokuthula.
It is investment God has given to each and every child of God.
Yinto uNkulunkulu ayigcinile komunye nomuntu
Therefore,
umntwana
if you are to
kaNkulunkulu.
go to a place
Uma ufika endaweni
and there is no peace,
kungenakuthula.
when you arrive,
Uma wena ufika
peace has arrived.
ukuthula sekufikile.
Peace has arrived.
Ukuthula sekufikile.
Peace has arrived.
Ukuthula sekufikile.
Because you are a children of God.
Ngoba wena ungumntwana
You are
kaNkulunkulu.
the sons of God.
Ningamadodana
Therefore,
kaNkulunkulu.
peace
Ukuthula
is a sign of maturity.
kuyisibonakaliso sokukhula.
Talk to your neighbor.
Khuluma
Say,
nomakhelwane.
neighbor,
Makhelwane.
peace
Ukuthula
is the sign of maturity.
kubonisa ukukhula.
When you become a son,
Uma ngabe usuba
there is a
indodana,
difference from a child and a son.
kunomehluko phakathi komntwana
When you
nendodana.
become a son,
Uma sewuba indodana,
you begin to reflect peace.
uqala manje ubonakalisa
Peace
ukuthula.
is not for the children.
Ukuthula ayisikhona kwabantwana.
Children are always make noise.
Abantwana bahleli bebangumsindo.
They are always fighting each other,
Bahleli balwisana.
always reporting each other.
Njalo bebika
But now
okunye.
when you mature,
Kodwa mawusukhulile.
when you become a son,
Uma uqala ukube indodana.
you are in control of your environment.
Sewulawula manje environment yakho.
Therefore, peace
Ukuthula
is the power to
kungamandla.
put things under control.
Ukubeka izinto phansi kolawulo.
When you are a man of peace,
Uma uwumuntu wokuthula.
you are like God.
Ufana ngqo noNkulunkulu.
When God matured you,
Uma uNkulunkulu wena
or when you are
ekukhulisa,
growing into maturity,
noma manje sewuye
you
ekukhuleni,
begin to be a man who control.
uqala ukuba umuntu olawulayo.
God is a man who is under control.
uNkulunkulu uwumuntu olawulayo.
God is high in self-control.
Uphezulu ke
There is no person who has got self-control like God.
akunamuntu okhona ukulawula
If God was not having self-control,
uNkulunkulu mawengenakho
He would already bomb this earth.
ngabe sewawuchitha lo mhlaba
Because there are
kudala.
many people who are doing things which hate God.
Ngoba kunabantu abenza ezilimaza
There are many
uNkulunkulu.
If
Hallelujah.
God was not having self-control,
Uma uNkulunkulu engakwazi
the
ukuzibamba,
earth will be finished by now.
umhlaba ngabe sewaphela.
Because there are people today
ngoba sinabantu
whom
namhlanje
God elevated them up.
labo uNkulunkulu
After that, they
abaphakathi
turn against Him.
uma besuka
If He was not having self-control,
ukube wayengakwazi
He would
ukuzibamba,
have switched off the oxygen.
ngabe sewavala umoya
Do you know that
wakhe.
God bless people
Uyazi uNkulunkulu
with
usiza
material?
abantu ngezinto,
God bless people
abusisa
with
abantu
His spirit,
ngomoya
and they
wakhe.
still turn against Him,
Kodwa bamjikela.
breathing His own air,
Bephefumula umoya wakhe.
His own oxygen,
Umphefumulo
and they still say
wakhe.
there's no God.
Beqhubeka bethi
Imagine
akuna
if you are
uNkulunkulu.
God,
Cabanga ube
and you are the one who's
uNkulunkulu.
giving this person to breathe,
Uwe onika lo muntu
and this
ukuthi
person
aphefumule.
now is pointing you
Lo
there's no
muntu
God.
manje uthi kuba
If it was
uNkulunkulu,
you,
ukube bekuyimi,
You will have made this person to have a load shedding.
ngabe lo muntu kudala
If
wamfaka
God
uNkulunkulu.
was like a man
Uma uNkulunkulu
and
ayefuna
He is
lo
not
muntu,
having self-control,
enganakho
the
ukuzibamba,
rain will gonna only fall to the Christian.
imvula yayiyonetha kuphela
Imagine,
abazalwane.
imagine.
Ake ubheke.
But now when the rain fall,
Kodwa imvula
it
ithi
also
inetha.
fall in the house of the criminal.
Inetha nasendlini
It
ey'gebengu.
also fall in the house of the rebellious man.
Inetha nasendlini
Why?
abazalwane. Kungani?
God is in control.
uNkulunkulu uyalawula.
One sign of maturity
Ukubonakalisa
is
ngokukhula.
ability to control yourself.
Kukhona
We are living in the
ukukhona
world
siphila emhlabeni.
whereby everyone want to control.
Lapha khona wonke umuntu efuna ukulawula. Eish.
Hello?
Hallelujah.
People want to control people.
Abantu bafuna ukulawula abantu.
And they think when they are controlling people,
becabanga ukuthi ngenkathi
it's
bekhontrola
when they're in
abantu,
charge.
kulapha bephethe khona.
And that is not how you are in charge.
Ayisikho indlela
Actually, to be more in charge
kahle kahle ukuthi wena ukhona
is when you are able to control yourself.
kungilapho khona khona ukuyiphatha
Because when you are
wena.
controlling people,
Ngoba mawuqala ulawula
you
abantu,
also lose your control.
nawe usebenza futhi
Therefore, the
control
highest
yakho.
way of controlling people
Indlela ephakeme
is to
yokuqala
control
abantu,
yourself.
kukuzilawula
But the
wena
problem,
kuqala. Kodwa
people want to
manje
control people.
abantu bafuna
As
ukuphatha
they want to
abantu,
control people,
ebesafuna
they
ukuphatha
end up
abantu,
losing control of themselves.
bagcina sebengasakwazi
Listen
ukulawula
very careful.
bona. Silalele
If you
kahle.
want to live a life of peace
Uma ufuna ukuphila impilo
and become
yokuthula,
victorious,
ufuna ukunqoba,
you must control your inner peace.
funda ukulawula
You
ukuthula
must
kwakho
have too much
kwangaphakathi.
peace in you
Yiba nokuthula okuningi
so that you
kuwe.
can neutralize the outside environment.
Uzokwazi ukhona
Because the
ukuqhubeka
outside
ngaphandle.
environment
Ngoba le environment
may
yangaphandle
not change,
kungenzeka
may try to
ingashintshi.
pressurize to you.
Ungazama ukulahleka
But
phakathi
you,
kuwe, kodwa
if you
wena,
have enough peace,
uma unokuthula
you will
kwanele,
overcome the storm outside.
uyakhona ukunqoba
The
isimo
problem
ngaphandle,
is
inkinga.
not the storms outside.
Ayisisona
The
isimo
problem
ngaphandle,
is a
inkinga.
storm within.
Yilesi esingaphakathi. Hallelujah.
Am I speaking to somebody here?
Yes, Lord.
Am I speaking to somebody here?
Yes,
The
Lord.
biggest problem is not outside.
Inkinga enkulu ayikho
The biggest
ngaphandle.
problem is inside.
Kodwa manje
Because
ibuka
if
phakathi.
inside is well,
Ngoba uma
the
phakathi
outside will
kulungile,
be well.
nangaphandle
Therefore,
kuzolunga.
Christ said to them,
uKristu wathi
I
kubo,
leave peace with you.
"Nginishiya
What was he
nokuthula."
saying to me and you?
Yini ayesho
Be
kimi
in
nawe?
charge.
Lawula.
Be in control.
Lawula.
Do not allow the outsiders
Ungavumela
to
bangaphandle
invade your peace.
ukuthi bamoshe
Because
ukuthula kwabo.
outsiders
Ngoba
will
bangaphandle
try to invade your peace.
bazozama ukumosha
But
ukuthula
you
kwakho,
must
kodwa wena
control your peace.
lawula ukuthula kwakho.
Listen very careful.
Hallelujah.
If somebody
Uma umuntu
knows how to make you angry,
ayikwazi ukuthi ukwatisa
you are not in
kanjani,
control.
awukakwazi ukuzibamba.
I'll talk to your neighbor.
Khuluma nomakhelwane.
Say, neighbor,
Uthi makhelwane,
if somebody
uma kunomuntu
makes you angry,
ekwenza ukuthi ukwate,
you are not in control.
awukwazi ukuzilawula.
The person who is able to mess up your day, say, no, I was okay before I meet him.
Umuntu okhonayo ukubosha usuku lwakho uthi bengikahle phambi kokuthi ngidibane nawe.
This person have got a remote control.
Lo muntu kusho ukuthi wena uyakulawula.
He know how to spoil your day.
Uyakwazi ukuthi ulimosha kanjani
And there are
usuku
people who
lwakho.
specialize like that.
Kunabantu futhi abasebenza
Who knows
kanjalo.
how to spoil people's day.
Abakwaziyo nje ukumosha
When
usuku
you are
lomuntu.
happy,
Uthi
Saying, I'm
ujabulile.
coming home to bless the people.
Uthi ngiza khaya ukuzobusisa
They come
abantu.
out the mihal
Bese befika
and say, what kind of dance is that?
bethi udansa kanjani
That's
wena?
what David was doing.
Yini lokhu
He
uDavid
was,
ayekwenza.
after he blessed,
Emva kokuba
he said, let me go and
ebusisile,
bless my household.
athi angiye ngiyobusisa umndeni wami.
She pressed the button.
Wavela unkosikazi wapress ibutton.
No blessing
Akusena sibusiso.
was released.
Akunasibusiso esakhululwa.
Who has power over you?
Ubani onamandla phezu kwakho?
Ask your neighbor.
Ake ubuze umakhelwane wakho.
Who is in charge?
Uthi ubani
Who has
ophethe?
power over you?
Ubani onamandla phezu
Because
kwakho?
whoever who has power over you
Ngoba noma ubani onamandla phezu
controls
kwakho
you.
uyakulawula.
Jesus
uJesu
was in charge
waye in charge,
all the way to the
wayephethe.
cross.
Waze wafika esiphambanweni.
When the Bible speak of him,
iBhayibheli malikhuluma
they said he
ngaye
was like a sheep.
bathi wayefana
He
nemvu,
remained dumb
wathula
until the cross.
waze wafikela
They
esiphambanweni.
were there who were provoking him.
Babekhona bemchukuluza,
Some gave him a clap
abanye bemshaya
and said, if you are a
ngempama
prophet,
ethi bethi lo
as if
ungumprofeti,
Jesus Christ is not a prophet,
kungathi ayisinguyena umprofeti.
prophesy.
Bethi profeta,
Who beat you?
ubani
Do you
okushayile?
need a prophet? You are seeing the person who beat you.
Uyambona umuntu okushayileyo.
But they were provoking him
Belokhu
as
bemchukuluza
if he has no eyes.
kungathi akanamehlo.
Somebody is giving a clap
Umuntu ukufaka
and
impama
say, prophesy who beat you.
athi profeta ushawe
Where is
ubani?
the prophecy there?
Sifuneka
It's you who are
isiprofeto
beating me.
la uwe nje
But the
okushayayo.
Bible says they remain quiet.
Kodwa iBhayibheli lithi wathula.
What was he saying to me and you?
Yini ayeyisho kimi nawe?
There is power in peace.
Kunamandla ekuthuleni.
There is power in you maintaining your peace.
Kunamandla kuwe ukhona ugcina
Some of you are
ukuthula.
losing victory
Abanye abanye benu nilahlekelwa nawo
because you are
nawukunqoba.
invited into the wars which are not yours.
Ngoba ningenelela izimpi okungezona
Most
nezenu.
of people who don't have peace,
Abaningi abantu abangenakho
they cause
ukuthula
trouble.
bedala
But
izinkinga.
maintain your peace.
Kodwa wena khona
I say
uhlawula
maintain
ukuthula
your
kwakho.
peace.
Lawula
I
ukuthula
say
kwakho.